So this is a Motorola G37 Power. So while I'm connecting this proper setup, let's talk about their specification, like 120 hertz display, 50 megapixel quad camera. There's also one camera also getting your phone ready. So I like Dolby Atmos dual speaker, which is very good, and bass is also good in speaker. 3.5 jack. Of course, it is a affordable device. High resolution audio, which is also great. I'm already used this device. So we can talk about lithium ion battery, which is good. 7000 mAh battery company claim, but this is a 6790 mAh battery, which is also good. This is long lasting battery. Oh, I love the battery. Also, they are giving 33 watt charger in the box, which is very good. Also, we can say we can record 2K full HD video. Also, Bluetooth, I think 5.4, that's also good. Also, selfie camera 8 megapixel, which is very not good. Selfie camera is bad. Also, main camera is also average. If we talk about the camera, you can see there's one camera here, but this we can later finish. This is so premium, bro. This is look like a expensive device from Motorola, but I love it, bro. Okay, I can skip it. Also, there's a RAM type like LPDDR4X, which is good, but I am unable to play Fortnite properly in this device. Okay, we can't play Fortnite type game in this device properly. It will not work properly. There is lots of freezing issue. So okay, we can use in dual SIM in this device. Also, what we can talk about, yeah, I don't love the display because they are giving HD plus display, which is not good, I can't say. Also, NFC, they are not giving NFC, but they are giving all the sensor. What is this? Okay, setup date. Okay, I can do an Indus aperture. Let's do it. But they are giving a gyroscope. That's crazy, bro. This is good. I think there's all type of sensor, fingerprint reader. Yeah, side mounted fingerprint. Also, what we can talk about, yeah, their processor brand is MediaTek, but processor type is Dimensity 6400, which is very not good. Let me show you properly. They are about system, back about device. You can see all the specification. 4GB RAM plus 4GB virtual RAM, which is also good. You can see storage. Also, Moto, I think 16. Where is it? 16. Where is 16? Android 16. Okay, device detail. Yeah, you can see the model and Android 16. You can see Android 16, which is also great. This is a hybrid memory slot. You can use either 2 SIM or 1 SIM 1 memory card. I think 1 TB expandable memory card. Also, you can see Realme G37. That's this. You can see this AMOLED display in Realme G37, which is very good and bright. 6000 and needs peak brightness, but Moto G37 Power offering 1050 nits, which is not good. Okay. Also, camera is not good, bro, but they are using some AI tools which enhance the quality of camera. If you click an image, you will see after that it will enhance. Like for example, if you are clicking an image, you will see the camera is so bad, but if you after the click, you see in your gallery that image is enhanced, and you can see this is that image is good. You can compromise with the camera, but you will definitely love the 7000 mAh battery, 33 watt fast charging, also good net